I'm Allegra Shaw, and today we're gonna unbox some really cool shoes for festival season. This weekend I'm going to Coachella, so we got a lot of shoes here to unbox and show you and get you really pumped up for festival season. Did I already say festival season? So these first shoes are called the Shangwen. They look like this. They're a really cool platform, and these kind of like dad, mom sandals are super in. I really like them. I have a few pairs, but I like these ones a lot. I think these will look really cool with like some biker shorts or something along those lines. To go with that, I thought these sunglasses are really, really cool. They still go with the blue theme. Oh, I love these. They're like half moon. They're really cool. So I think these together would make a really cool retro, how many times have I said cool? Really cool retro look. Let's unbox the next. Oh, I'm obsessed with these. These are super cool. They are a dad sneaker, and dad sneakers are so in, but these ones are really lightweight, and I find that some dad sneakers can be really heavy. These ones are super lightweight, really easy to wear to a festival, and they seem like they're gonna be very breathable. And I got them in the pink. These ones are called the Esteo Wheel, and they're just such a cool sneaker. I'm super excited to style these, maybe with a jean short, something like that. Love. Next, we have these really cute sunglasses that are pink, and they're called the Ladol. Really cute. And then small sunglasses are kind of a fave of mine. I love them. I think these are super fun. And this actually would go with this top really well. Next. Oh, this is so fun. Look at this belt bag. This is like the perfect festival belt bag. You always need something to keep your ID and your wallet and your phone in, and I think that this is like so perfect. It will reflect the sun really cool and look really cool in photos. Again, I think this is more of like a sporty look, and this is called the Abinaria. All right, next up. Oh, I'm obsessed. Tie-dye sneakers. These are really cool, and I actually have tie-dye is like super in for this season, and I have like a full tie-dye dress, and I have like a tie-dye short and sweater combo that I think these could look really cool and do like a full tie-dye look and just go all out, because that's what festival fashion is for. You just go all out and you can have so much fun with fashion. These ones are called the High Wheel, and I'm really looking forward to wearing these. For accessories, we have these super fun round sunglasses. These are so cool. These I think would go really well with that full tie-dye look, and they're called the Mirela. Next up, it's not super like daytime festival, but there's always parties surrounding Coachella and a lot of night parties, and that's where you can get like dressed up. So I thought having like a fun mule like this would be really cool for the night parties, and kind of like, or even, you know, the parties during the day before you hit the festival. These could be really cool. I see these with just some like vintage jeans and a white tee, something just like very cool and very simple. These are called the Edelysene or Edelysene, and I'm really, really looking forward to wearing these. These are so my style. Last but not least, we're taking out of this fun bag. Oh, these are perfect for Coachella. They are a white cowboy inspired boot. These are gonna be like all over the festival grounds, I guarantee it. And these are called the Drarissa. I love. I actually have these in brown already. So I got them in white because cowboy boots are super in style. I like a little bit of a heel because it gives you some height, but they're still super comfortable, don't feel like a heel. And I'm excited to rock these with a nice fun dress. So those are my selects for this upcoming festival season, and specifically Coachella. I'm gonna style these looks with a lookbook, so if you want to see that, that'll be on my YouTube channel, which is Allegra Shaw, and so is my Instagram. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm super excited to see you over on my channel.